Today is 13 December 2020. It's been exactly 8 months, 26 days, 16 hours that I came home from college. College was shut due to the pandemic. 2020 has been a very strange year for everyone. It started off very normally but just became the most unexpected event in everyone's lives. The world had paused. Everyone were locked in their homes. Businesses were closed. Colleges and schools were shut. People were getting sick. People were confused. People were dying, and there was a strange fear among everyone for their loved ones and for themselves. Everything was unfolding just like some movie. There were none on the streets. People were confused what to do, what not to do. Each and every day, every second, every news was just disastrous. But everyone had hope that things will get better very soon, hope that they will resume their work as normally as they did, hope that everything will end very soon and again they will be able to live a normal life. But less did they know that a new normal was waiting for everyone. Everyone was just fighting by staying at home. It wasn't easy for any of us. Amongst everything going around, we also had online classes just as any other student in the country would have. It was tough for both teachers and students, but the fact is that education can't be stopped. So, our Design Studio 7 kicked off around in August, and my chosen topic was high rise apartments. The first challenge that we faced in the whole process was choosing a proper site in our own city or nearby. We couldn't go out many times physically because of the whole situation out there. It might be a different scene if we could have gone physically and explored the sites. But this time, our only reliable tools were Google Earth and Google Maps so that we could find a proper site for our design. As I live in Alibag in Raigad district, Maharashtra, my preferred locations for the site were Alibag, Varsoli, Navi Mumbai, Kharghar, Panvel, and of course Mumbai. Mumbai and Panvel were rejected at the very first place due to very dense urban sprawl, and it was tough to find the desired site virtually. Alibag and Versoli had sites, but when studying upon the coastal regulations of high rise constructions in these areas, it was a bit tough, and also one more reason for rejecting these sites were the less population and very less density, as these both are small coastal towns. So, a high rise apartment would not be feasible in these locations. Now, among the remaining Navi Mumbai and Kharghar sites, I preferred the Navi Mumbai site, which is situated in Nerul, just because it is a planned urban residential area and had a better access and connectivity options than the Kharghar site. So, my final site was in Nerul, Navi Mumbai, with an area of 14.8 acres. The site is located on the Palm Beach Road in Navi Mumbai. It is the only access road and is located on the western side. There are developed societies and other developments on the western side of the site. The site is covered with thick mangrove forests on the northern, southern, and the eastern sides. Just after the mangroves on the eastern side of the site, there lies the Vashi Creek, which gives splendid views when viewed from higher levels. Now, the second thing was the concept and the ideation. The very first and the initial design thought or inspiration was from the structure of the mangrove forests. The structure of the mangrove forests could be easily divided into four levels: the root level, the stem level, the branch level, and the canopy. The root level and the branch level had one thing in common, that they had entangled themselves into so much that they had formed a huge network of roots and huge network of branches, and the stems and the canopy for each tree were individual. So relating it to the residential apartments, the roots would relate directly to the commercial and the public spaces that could be accessible by all. The branches were the recreational spaces that could be accessible by only the residents of the apartments, and the stem and the canopy were the individual towers which would comprise of the residences. The second thing to tackle was the issue of humidity, because Navi Mumbai is a coastal region and it has high humidity levels. So, upon research and studies, I found out that there were some plants that would absorb moisture from the air and hence reduce humidity, bringing it to the comfort level of the users. So, adding more and more such green spaces with those particular type of plants would create a microclimate that would hence reduce the humidity and create perfect comfort level for all the users.